Every transaction that happens in the network is captured on the blockchain. So blockchain is like, yeah, a village chalkboard, like picking up a chalkboard, a very huge chalkboard, and putting it in the middle of the village. So I mean, the village market. So if anyone buys anything at the market, if someone buys onions, if someone buys eggs, if someone buys bread, if someone buys a wheelbarrow, anything that is bought, even a lollipop, you write it down on the chalkboard that is the middle of the village square at the market. So that is basically what a blockchain is. It's a record that is kept of every transaction that happens. Now the beauty about this uh, chalkboard that is at the middle of the market, once you buy your onions, you buy your tomatoes, you buy anything, immediately you write it. So you cannot come and delete it. And once you write, everyone sees. And once they see, look at it like this. It's like the chalkboard. It's like the chalkboard is in the middle of the market and people are standing next to the chalkboard. Immediately you write something down, everyone takes their pen and their paper and they write down your transaction. So if you bought 5 eggs, immediately everyone standing next to the chalkboard writes on their piece of paper, takes their pen and the paper, they write, you've bought 5 oranges. If you've bought 2 bananas, everyone who's standing next to the chalkboard, everyone who can see the chalkboard, writes on their notepad using their own pen and paper that you bought this. So you cannot come and say, I bought 10 bananas, while everyone wrote that you bought 5 bananas. And basically, that's how the blockchain system works. If you're thinking of it in terms of bananas and the chalkboard in the market, yes, it's as simple as that. And